The elegant experiment is something which I think is what we kind of strive for. Everybody looks at it and the answer is so clear that you think, well, why didn't somebody do that before? My name is Vanessa Ruta and I'm the head of the Laboratory of Neurophysiology and Behavior. We think about how neural circuits can be rapidly modified through learning and experience to allow every individual to adapt to their kind of unique experience of the world. We study these questions, taking advantage of the kind of simple architecture of neural circuits in a little animal, the fruit fly Drosophila. That simplicity really allows us to start to think about and map how neural circuits function. Another advantage of Drosophila is also the fact that actually there are about almost 2,000 different Drosophila species. We have the ability to basically directly compare the same sensory processing circuits in these closely related species and to pinpoint sites of evolutionary adaptation. My goal is not to understand my own consciousness, but really to understand a little bit about how we can all live in the same environment, and yet even individuals of the same species will react differently at that very moment in time. The discovery process kind of can guide you in completely different directions than you anticipated, even over the course of a Ph.D. It's not about what you know when you come in or your background, it's really about your willingness to pursue new ideas and to be kind of nimble. I did not follow a traditional route into science. I took 4 years off after high school to pursue classical ballet in New York City. And when I decided finally to quit dance, I did not know what I would do with myself, but I thought, well, maybe I'll take a chemistry class because it seemed like a really nice kind of counterpoint to the subjective art world that I had been in. And I think there's a very similar process, I realized, between the artistic process, the kind of artistic pursuits of trying to hone your craft to see something, to reveal the world in a way through the lens of science. It's not just about the kind of intellectual pursuit, but there's also kind of a craftsmanship, a sort of how do you design a really good experiment? How do you reveal a beautiful answer? Science accommodates a wide variety of different personalities very effectively, and there is a lot of strength in characteristics that we don't think of as typically being present in scientists, including creativity.